Hello again, this is the third and final part in our video tutorial on editing a video with Photoshop. So to break it back down, we've opened the file, set it up for film video, and we've dropped in a video of a city in Europe. Also, we added a black background, and we also added a grunge effect that we applied a blending mode to have it change the look of the film. We also applied a filter at the beginning of the film for this short part here from the filter effects in Photoshop, which is a standard part of Photoshop. And we created a crossfade that fades it into the regular video. Then along with that, we will have our effect that fades in, then fades out. And with these fades, you can adjust the size of the fade just the same way you adjust the size of the video. We reduced the size of our video, we extended the size of the black background to last the full length of the video, and we can adjust the fade, the amount of time it takes to fade in, and then the time it takes to fade back out. And with that, you can also add audio. We can add audio, which would add a new audio line. We can also add a new audio track in which it will open up a window for us to browse, find audio we want to add, whether it's sound effects or whether it's music or whatnot. And for audio, we can look at what we have here and add this delicate stuff MP3, which is just stock audio, and the audio track is on here. And then, as with all the other pieces of this project, we can decrease the size of the audio track so that it lasts for a portion of the video or for the entire video. It will click to the length of the video because that's what we've already established for our length of our video. And so then we have the audio in with it, and you can play it, and it will play through, it'll play the audio, it'll play the video. And as we said before, you can scrub backwards and forwards through it. And then once you have your video set up the way you want it to be, you have your video, the background, the audio, the special effects, which you can also add various other effects like these: transform, opacity, and style. With transform, you could create a time frame, a keyframe, and then scrub forward, change the video. You could hold shift to move the video over, which we need to click the right video. You can drag that video over and create effects where the video will move. We actually have to go back and delete this keyframe because it was attached to a different part of the video, but we have this part of the video that's showing now. Clicked, selected, and we've selected the keyframe. Then we can move the video. It's doing it again. And if you move the video, it's going to create the keyframe to where you moved it to, so the video is playing through, and all of a sudden it starts sliding to the left because that's the transition, the animation we created. And we don't actually want it to do that, so I'm going to delete those two pieces. And that's how you can also animate various pieces within here. You can also create text within there. You can create a new video group. And you can open a layer in there. You can decrease the size of that, and then with that layer you can go to the text tool, add text into it, this is hello everyone. You can increase the size of the text. You can slide it to wherever you want it to start playing. And the text will show up once the playhead gets to that point in the video. We didn't create any fades on it, so it'll just abruptly show up, then abruptly go away. And when you're finished with your video, you can go up to File, Export, and select Render Video, in which it will bring up a box, much like the box at the beginning where we used to set up the file. This is setting up the video. It's going to be test videos, what we named it, in an MP4, and it's got all of the information about it. 1920 by 1080, the frame rate's 29.97, which is standard. And then you click render and it will render the video out. And that's the beginning to the end, the simple basics of editing video with Photoshop. It's really interesting and really fun. Thank you.